All right, everyone, as you can see, we have another Star Wars The Black Series figure in front of us. It says Carnor Jax. It is not Carnor Jax, however. Hasbro. Anyways, this is Kir Kanos. I'll show you in just a minute what I mean by that. But what we'll do is we'll go ahead and take a look at the outside the box. Just know there's definitely some mislabeling here. And then from there, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and unbox Kir Kanos, not Carnor Jax, and go from there. All right, so outside the box. Cool looking artwork. It says Carnor Jax. Again, Carnor Jax. That actually might look like Carnor Jax, but anyways. On the back here it says, commemorate the first 50 years of Lucasfilm with figures inspired by Star Wars books and comics. Pretty cool. I mean, the artwork is awesome, which is cool. We open this up. That's not Carnor Jax. In fact, I don't think this is Carnor Jax's. This actually is Carnor Jax there. That is not, of course, who we're talking about here with Kir Kanos. Let's do this. Let's go ahead and read something more of what we should be seeing on the inside cover there. It should be saying something more like Kir Kanos was a member of the elite Emperor's Royal Guard during the Galactic Civil War. Kanos, like all other guards, held an unwavering loyalty to the ideals of Emperor Palpatine, managing to evade the destruction of the superweapon Death Star II and the planet Biss. Where much of the guard was stationed, Kanos was the final loyal member of the unit after their ultimate massacre at Yin Kor. Under the orders of fellow guardsmen and aspiring Emperor Carnor Jax, Kanos swore a blood oath against the traitor and those who had a hand in Palpatine's ultimate demise. Anyways, blah, 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 blah. Kanos continued operating as a bounty hunter, taking up assignments in various backwater sectors and hoping to one day take on Luke Skywalker, the primary figure in Palpatine's death. All right, so that was from Wikipedia, but anyways, so not the figure that we're talking about here, so I'm not even going to call him Carnor Jax from now on. It's Kir Kanos. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a closer look at this figure by unboxing him. And then what we'll do is take a look at his articulation and take some pictures, come back, talk about things that I have learned, maybe some things that I like and or do not like about the figure, and go from there. All right, so let's go ahead and close that up. As I learned from unboxing our friend over on the side there, there's only one piece of tape on these. And I did order this as a 4-piece set from GameStop. They offered a discount, so I canceled my other pre-orders to get it through GameStop. And they definitely did a great job at delivering rather fast. Can't complain about that. All right, so let's continue taking them out. Yeah, I'm not even going to include this box just because, yeah, it's just wrong. It's wrong. We won't do our standard where we include that. It just isn't right. We'll just go from there. Oh, blade's interesting. Can't wait to take a closer look at that. And there we go. I don't have that much knowledge about this figure. If you do, let me know. Oh, look at that. It does have a blaster, which is attached. Makes me think I almost should have left that on there because I have a feeling this blaster is going to come out pretty easily. Not bad. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get everything cleaned up, and I'll be right back. I'm sure if people are skipping around in this video, they're going to be like, why are you calling him Kir Kanos when he's clearly Carnor Jax? But as you heard, that was the backstory there. Anyways, so with Kanos here, let's take a look at the blade. Hopefully, it's going to be hard to pick that up. I'm going to add a little bit of light, maybe. There we go. The blade isn't bad. Put that back just a little bit. There we go. The blade isn't that bad. I don't know. I think I'd want it to be more metallic than it is, but it is what it is. The grip, I think they did a good job with the grip. I mean, it definitely looks like it's like some sort of leather or metal that's woven that you would want for something like that. Other accessory that comes, as you saw earlier, we do have a very, very tiny blaster. It's hard to, I mean, I don't know. I'm having a hard time getting them in frame, but it is super tiny. It has some good details to it, but it's very plain. I hate it when Hasbro just uses plain plastic, especially when you're looking at a premium figure like in the Black Series line. Now, as far as the figure himself, the cape is really interesting. As you can see, it is definitely purple and shiny and that. However, on the back, it is, you know, more of what you would expect from one of the Emperor's guards, where it's got the red. So there we go. As far as articulation is concerned, helmet does not come off. So that's that. Arms go up pretty well. Even the fact that he's got the shoulders there. We've got about 90-degree angle, which is, you know, obviously what we always hope for. His finger here, trigger for the blaster, I'm assuming it is fully extended. This hand is up and down. It's got good motion. And this hand is up and down as well. All right. Blaster came out. That's exactly what I'm worried about. I might put that rubber band back on because it was kind of hard to see. So especially with the cape. Torso, limited-ish motion. Normal leg movement so far is a double knee. Take that back. Definitely a double knee. Good detail in there, though. I like the boots. And that's what we got. On the back, it's pretty blah, which is covered up by the cape, so it's fine. And there we go. All right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and take some pictures. If you have any questions while we're doing that, make sure to ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and take some pictures. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed those photos. It definitely gave me a better look at the figure here. The figure, of course, is Kir Kanos, not Carnor Jax. Now, to give Hasbro the benefit of the doubt, they were both guardsmen. You know, they look sort of similar, I guess. But, I mean, and also, I actually don't know much about either one of them because I haven't read those books or those comics. That being said, I'm definitely more interested to do so now. The backstory here on both of them sound very interesting. But as far as Kanos here, I mean, he's an okay figure. You know, I like the blade that he's got here. The blaster is just kind of eh. It's just eh. And it barely fits in his hand, and it's going to continually fall out. So I really hope that we don't have any problems there. He does have some range of movement issues in the torso and also in the head, obviously, because the helmet is not removable from what I could tell. And you know, he's also got the armor there in the chest area. So that's that. Again, I thought that the cape was interesting and somewhat, I don't know, out of place just because I don't know the figure with that purple color underneath. Now, if you know anything about either one of those figures, definitely comment down below. I'm curious to learn more. And if you've got the books or the comics that you think I should look at in the future to learn more about them as well, definitely put that down in the description, down in a comment down below there. Anyways, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. If you do not already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting. And me, myself, being a professional geek, I like to share things that are of interest to me. Obviously, I like Star Wars The Black Series, as you can tell. But we also do other things like home automation, electronics, other geeky things like going to theme parks and that sort of thing as well. If any of that interests you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.